Are you stuck on where to start for your renovation or remodeling project? Where do you go? Who do you turn to?
It's the age-old question when it comes to remodeling. How do you get started? There's 3 items you wanna have taken care of. First, you wanna define what you're doing and why you are doing it. The second part of that is actually your key. You wanna know why you're doing this. So what is it gonna mean to you? How are you gonna use the space? So what's this gonna do for you and your family? So when you know that, this goes ahead and helps frame everything else. So you need to choose what's important for you. So there's 3 items that go into any choice of service or a product. So, and those 3 key pieces are your quality of it, the price of it, and the service or the results that you get from it. So you can choose any 2 of 3. That's what a business can provide, is any 2 of those 3. So if you want quality and service and you're not as worried about price, you'll pay a little bit more. So then you choose those 2. If price is ultra important, but you still want quality, well, you may not get the best service then. So you've got to remember, you've got to choose 2 of those 3 and make sure you're clear on what those are, because that'll help guide you in product choices and contractor choices. And finally, you've got to know your budget. What are you willing to spend to get the result that you're looking for? So you've got to have this in your head. You have to convey this to your contractor. The biggest thing I see so many people do is hold this back from their contractor, figuring that I don't want to let them know it's a guarded secret. Let's put it this way: if you only have $20,000 to spend on a renovation, it's going to take $50,000. You don't share that, you're wasting your time and you're wasting that contractor's time. So you definitely want to be able to share that information. Whenever you're ready to map out your roadmap, your remodeling roadmap, we've got something for you. So it's called our 5-day Remodeling Made Easy Challenge. We've got one coming up real quick. So make sure to go ahead and register. All you have to do is go to remodelingmadeeasychallenge.com. So go there. We're going to walk you through this process. You're going to walk out of that with a roadmap to be able to start the process. So going to talk to contractors, going to talk to your architect or engineer to go ahead and get things designed for this. So make sure you grab that spot right now. See you soon.